nice weather, huh? That's Anna's client who, I think she's nervous. I don't think she wants to get out of the car. Now this is what you call a free car wash. And that's what's called my daughter trying to get in.
Dad, can we get some rain from it?
What?
Can we put it out of the rain?
No.
Why?
No, because then you're going to be all soaked. You thought the kids would look after you.
I brought towels.
Oh, Tony. So dance around under the towel.
A really fast, like run, really fast. Can we?
No, the rain's letting up now.
Okay, really fast.
If the rain comes down really hard again, you can go really fast.
Look at that, look at that.
Across the street and back.
Oh, my iPad's so cool.
Okay. The sky has just opened up. So no more cracks of thunder. We had one big one, and then that was it. Whoop.